Right now, we're installing the board piles and the footings for building stages 9, 10, and 11. We excavated about 13,600 tonnes of material. We poured about 7,500 cubic metres of concrete, and we installed roughly 800 tonnes of reinforcing steel. Stages 9 to 11 are being delivered concurrently and will ultimately provide around 60 megawatts of IT capacity to both hyperscale and AI customers. One of the standout achievements has been the speed from design to construction. We started design on the 29th of August, and by November, we were already on site building the piling platform. That's in just under 12 weeks from design to kick off on site works. The speed was driven by a close collaboration between design, engineering, and construction teams, supported by our digital modelling and rapid decision-making. The scale, complexity, speed of delivery make M2 Stage 9, 10 and 11 a landmark data centre project in Australia, and we're all proud to be a part of it.